Good morning, good morning, good morning. Give me a second here. For some reason, it closed this browser here. Okay. Interesting day setting up. Everything running. We bought some SPX. If you held those SPX 4050s, they're 11. We had rolled into the 4100s. They're 5 from 2. So they're moving nicely. So depending on what you want to do, we're sitting nicely in all these calls. We'll probably buy some puts just in case near open. Okay. Everything looks like it's going to come in lower in theory. Is it? I don't know. And then we see. But today has a chance to finally change the trend for a significant while. Is it going to happen? Again, I don't know. Okay? Andrews downgrades Unity. Andrews downgrades Roku. Roku's garbage. America higher than forecast. Coin. Okay, just reading some stuff. Okay. So that's what we know. Everything is about later. Nothing we see today really matters. Here's the thing. A lower CPI means lower rates over time, not this quarter. Now, can it come in negative on the core? Maybe. That would be a big tell. If it's 5.5, it'll be a big tell. Okay? Then we see. Don't know anything about it. Then we see. Okay? But Tesla trying to break up 126, big number. Hit our 126 straight down. Moderna was down on an upgrade yesterday. Does it go? I don't know. Netflix has just broken 330, like it really wants to take off, and they're buying Amazon. So they're buying the FANG back. That means this is primed, really primed to go, and let's go see how it plays out. Avago's up nicely, Nvidia's up too, Lam Research is flying, UNH is doing well, Microsoft is just sitting there not doing much. Snowman trying to go, and NOW is running. Can it pop? Don't know. But if we have a low CPI, I think the FANG and everything else is going to go pretty fast. Okay, so we got some time here for questions. If anybody has any questions, type them in. If not, we'll get going. Okay? So remember, a lower CPI doesn't make things better. It just doesn't make it worse. What SPX are you looking at? Right now for today, I like the 4075s on a good number for today. For tomorrow, if it's a great number, if it's a negative number, I like over 4120s. And the puts on the downside, I like 3,900 for today. 3,900. They're 10. They're expensive. They're 10. But if you put in 20, if it craters, they go to 50. If it doesn't, and it goes up, you lose the 10, but you'll make the 10 on the other side. Okay? Very interesting, right? Very interesting. Okay? That's what we know. Did your present show up? You're out of control, Tom. Okay, thank you. Yes, it did. Okay. No, just starting. Hold on. Okay. Okay. So let's get going here. Okay. Good morning, everybody. 112. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Then we see. Okay. SPX up about 5. We had 39.72 is where I said got to 39.70. You got 39.81. 4,000 is a big number. Interesting. Okay. Avago, way better. 183, 195. Can't trade pre-market. Do you feel it will be late to catch a move if the market open? No, it depends what it is. Depends what the number comes in, right? I mean, are we up 100 in 5 minutes after, or are we only up 30? Are we up, or are we down 100, or are we only down 30? It all depends on what's happening, okay? Avago downside, 561. NVIDIA, a little bit better, 163, 172, underneath 151. Lam Research, 472, 490. Okay, so what happened yesterday? There was a company I'd never heard of. And you know, so I've been trading a long time. And things that you know. If you never heard of a company, let's say you trade a sector like semis, and you never heard of a company, why would that company be relevant in the market? It's not relevant. I mean, pretty much over 20, 30 years, you've heard of every company that's relevant. Why don't you, I still don't even remember what the name of that company was yesterday, but they guided down on semiconductor equipment and missed. Now, can that happen to Lam Research? Absolutely. But nobody cares about $1 billion company. That's a nothing company. Okay, nothing. That's why when Lam Research 447, I'm like, this thing is going to go positive. And it moved positive. It recovered the whole thing and went positive. Happens all the time. So know what companies people are talking about and what they're doing. Very, very important. Okay? UNH earnings tomorrow morning. And JP Morgan has earnings tomorrow morning. Okay? Know that. Apple, 136, 139, under 128. Microsoft, 241, 250. 241, 250, underneath 231. Bad. Amazon trying to run 96, 98, 100, 103. Wow. Under 91. Snowman, 141, 146, 152, 156. Netflix breaking up, 331, 336, 342. BIIB trying to hit 188, 288, 288, 288. Okay? Bobalicious, lower. So kind of avoid it now. Just wait. No reason to play it while it's doing worse than everybody else, right? Boeing, 209, 216. NOW is at 400. Can it pop to 410? It can. Those will go to 10 very fast. If it happens, then we see. MDB can go to 200 fast too. Those will go to 5 if it happens. If it breaks, 206. Underneath 181. Tesla, 126, 129, 133. Moderna, 191, 193. Anything over 193 runs. And ENPH, if it gets going today, 246, 252. 246, 252, then we see. That's what we know. Even if it fall bad with bad earnings. Yeah. So Netflix, here's the thing. Everybody, look, they're just buying stuff, right? They're just buying stuff. Hold on. Enphase expands 1Q8 inverter deployments. Okay. Don't really understand this yet, but we'll look at it. Amazon call buyer realizes 240% gain. That's so funny. Okay. Okay. So that's what we know. Tesla 126, 128, 129 area, 133. Big number. Okay. That's what we got. Everything changes. Everything changes in 30 minutes, and we'll be posting. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.